Welcome guys to Marcesina Kitchen, where today are gonna be fun and nice Jamaican cooking. So guys, just tune in. So Marcesina, what are you going to cook today?
Some outside grilled chicken. But the first thing we have to do is show you how to clean up your chicken.
Wow, this supposed to taste nice when you don't cook, you see people. May I tell you say it go nice.
Delicious also.
I'm preparing your seasoning.
Yes man.
Chicken.
Alright.
Escallion, thyme, and kraft. So that's what I'm doing here,
Yes.
Kitchen.
Alright. So Marcesina, what are you doing right now?
I'm taking off the skin off of the chicken.
Okay. So what are you doing? I'm preparing it now for what?
You know, to go and season
Right.
before I grill it.
Okay. So people, so no see what I go on? Yes man, she prepare the chicken for seasoning. And this look very nice, Yes, so a seasoning I go on right also now. What's that now? Garlic.
Yeah, well, I'm preparing garlic, pepper, onion, scallion, and thyme.
Yes.
Which we have jerks, chicken,
Right.
and so forth.
Real Jamaican cooking I go on. Your chicken I cut up over there so, and seasoning I cut up over here so. Right.
Different seasoning that we're using.
Alright, so people want to see pepper, garlic, onion, and thyme. And look over there, so you see the other season and everything. Chicken I cut up over there, so people. It got interesting, it got nice. Yeah man, outside vlog today. Marcesina Kitchen, what you doing right now?
So I'm going to season the chicken.
Right.
Inside here, I have the scallion what beat, have it to be blend. A small blend I give it to it, the onion, the garlic, pimento seed, scotch, bonnet, pepper.
Guys, look at it guys, what you're doing. You see, so she put in all of that season on the meat. Sauce, so watch out now. Alright, so she put local barbecue sauce now, in a smoke barbecue sauce, make from Kraft.
It's a browning.
Wow.
It's a sauce also too.
Yes.
I'm going to put a small amount on it.
Pepper
Pickapeppa,
sauce.
man. It's a pickapeppa sauce.
Wow. Alright guys, look at it
Amount of black pepper.
Small amount of black pepper, people. Can't wait for this. You see? Alright, paprika. Alright, see guys, a small amount of paprika.
And next jerk sauce.
Okay, where are we going That is
Great all-purpose season.
Whoa, so people, you see that? All-purpose, I'm showing you. So
We're going to put some salt.
alright.
A small amount of salt because there's everything make it salt.
Okay, very nice. Alright, so what else we
We're
have?
going to rub everything inside.
Alright. So guys, if you wanna look and see carefully,
See it, we have a pepper, so we want the spice to come out.
Whoa.
Pepper.
Okay.
Scotch bonnet pepper.
Okay.
Don't blend it.
Okay, so here
Smell the
guys,
pepper?
smells so nice, rich, real Jamaican cooking this, guys. Me I tell you. Yes, so guys, so right now she's rubbing up the chicken in the sauce, make sure that it's well seasoned properly.
We're going to
Alright.
put it away.
How long you gonna put it away for?
20 minutes.
Alright, so Marcesina, what you doing right now?
Until later on the grill, man.
So guys. We're turning over the chicken on the other side, yeah, because we don't want it to burn, we want it to grill properly. So that's why we're turning the chicken over on the other side. So wow, look at it, guys. Nice Jamaican grilled chicken, you know. Yeah guys, yes, we're ready right now. I'll just add on back some more sauce on it, and the nice Jamaican grilled chicken. Yes, wow, look at it, man. Yes, so Marissa, you know what you're doing right now?
Taking off, finish.
I'm taking off the chicken right
Yeah.
now. Alright, so you see guys, so it's done in there, you know guys.